get some skating in today before it gets dark at like 4:40. It gets dark mad early. Can't wait till it gets dark later. I'm looking forward to that. All right, let's get to this. We're gonna do some flat ground tricks, kick flip, heel flip. I want to definitely get a tray flip, of course. And yeah, we'll see what else I get. Let's get the other glove on. It is freezing out here, bro. I think it's like 30 degrees type freezing out here, bro. As soon as the sun goes, start going down, it gets cold as hell. We're gonna do some POV skating. Let's get to it.